Hello again, everyone. Welcome once more to my channel. Buenasita, Guiguyon, your humble host. I'd like to shout out to my YouTube viewers and subscribers. Thank you for always being there with me since the start of my channel up to now. Thank you for all the support. To those who are new to my channel, I hope that you would also click on like and finally subscribe in my channel so that you will be notified, updated on whatever is given in my channel. To all parents, grandparents, and guardians, once more, this is for you. Let us review all together so that when the lesson of your child coincide with what we are going to discuss, it will be easier for you to guide your child. Now, I can say that of what we are going to discuss, we have two ways of doing it: the easy way and, of course, a longer process. And when I say easy way, you can always make use of your calculator. But of course, talking about lessons in school, we do not require our students to make use of the calculator. Rather, we ask them to do it with the process for them to understand really what is happening on the process, or yes, they would understand the process of doing the operation. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so let us take now examples of dividing decimal numbers. We have in here 5.34 divided by 0.3. There is one thing you have to remember when dividing decimal numbers, and that is to make your divisor a whole number. How do we make our divisor a whole number? It's as simple, remember, it is as simple as if there is one decimal number, you multiply that by 10. If there are two decimal numbers, you multiply it by 100. If there are three, thousands, and so on. There is another way of doing that, and that is as simple as moving your decimal point to the right. The number of times you have decimal places in your divisor. So in here, we have only one decimal place. So we move our decimal point once to the right. What you do in your divisor, you have to do that also in your dividend. You have to move it also once to the right. So we have now a result of 3 divided by 53.4. Once you have made your divisor a whole number, you can now start dividing. In here, we have 5 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 3 is equal to 3. We subtract, we have 2, bring down 3. 23 divided by 3 is equal to 7. 7 times 3 is equal to 21. We subtract, we have 2, bring down 4. But notice, we have reached already our decimal point, so I need to place our decimal point in our quotient. Then continue dividing. 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. 8 times 3 is equal to 24. You subtract and we have a result which is equal to 0. Okay, let us take another example. Let us say you are given 2.4 divided by 0.15. So what will we do? We have to move our decimal point as many times as there are decimal places in our divisor. So in here, we need to move it twice because there are 2 decimal places on the divisor, giving us equal to 15. What we do in our divisor, we need to do it in our dividend. So let's move our divisor twice to the right. You can see that we do not have any more number after 4, but that is not a problem. You can always place 0, giving us 240. After all those process, we divide our numbers. Thus, since there are 2 digits in our divisor, we need to start also with 2 digits in our dividend. Thus, 24 divided by 15 is 1. 1 times 15 is equal to 15. We subtract. 24 minus 15 is 9. Bring down 0. Then we continue dividing. 90 divided by 15 will give you 6. 6 times 5 is equal to 30. Carry 3. 6 times 1 is equal to 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. We subtract and we have 0. Finally giving us a quotient of 16. Okay? Okay, so we are through once more with our division of decimal numbers. There is just one thing you have to really remember in dividing decimal numbers. That is to make your divisor a whole number. How will you do that? By moving your decimal points as many times as there are decimal places in your divisor. If you are moving it 3 times, what you do in your divisor, you have to do it in your dividend. So that ends our discussions on decimal numbers. We have taken the 4 fundamental operations of decimal numbers. So the next lessons we are going to discuss. All you have to do is to subscribe in my channel, those who are new, so that you will be updated on the operations of numbers we are discussing, we are reviewing. Thank you very much. Till next time. Babu.